Hi everyone, welcome to today's trade of the day, and for today's trade of the day we will be looking at the Kiwi dollar. Right, so the Kiwi dollar, what I have here is really a pretty long-term chart. It's a pretty nice setup both on an intraday and a swing trading basis. Right, it's also a setup that you can look forward to next week, assuming there's no huge news in the markets over the weekends. Alright, so on the weekly we see very clearly that price is actually holding below a descending trendline resistance over here, and we are right now testing the third touch. We can also do a Fibonacci retracement on the weekly and open our Fibonacci ratios, and we see that price is actually coming close to the 7860 level. Now very quickly we go down to the 1 hour and we can actually tidy that trend line that we drew on the weekly up nicer. Right, it's something like that where we see price having touched once, twice, came close once, and is now coming back up to this area. So we can use Fibonacci retracement from the high to the low, open up all Fibonacci ratio. There's a 61.8 here, but I'm thinking price may actually spike slightly higher to this level where we can actually have our entry in line with the descending trend line resistance. So you can see a big push up. We should see momentum carry it a bit higher before coming back down, and we can actually have our first take profit at a graphical low right here. Right, so this can be an intraday take profit target at a graphical low. Now this used to be a resistance, price broke above, and now it's holding it as a support. So this entire area really is a support zone. Alright, and last but not least, very quickly, our stop loss will just be above the market structure. Okay, above the previous high, just back it up a bit to give our trade a bit of room to breathe in case we start seeing such huge spikes again. Right, the Kiwi dollar tend to have such all these huge spikes. Alright, and then so this is our intraday trade of the day. Last but not least, we can actually take a look at momentum indicators, and we can see that the MACD is actually starting to cross below 0, and of course 21 is too sensitive. We can actually make it a bit less sensitive by using the 55 moving average, and we can see that price has yet to actually close above the 55 moving average, but it has been a very strong down push recently. Alright, so indicators are starting to turn bearish. Right, our price action shows us first and foremost that we are long-term bearish and also intraday bearish. So that's all the time that we have for today's trade of the day. Wish you guys all the best. Trade safe, stay safe, have a great weekend. I'll catch you guys again. Thank you.